We are back, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little night POV. Feel what I'm saying? Now I'm upstate right now. I'm currently a college student. Yes, I am on campus. I do not know this area for real. I do not know this area. I've been looking for a nice little area to drive around, give y'all a little something this baby GTR could do. But feel me, we gonna figure it out. But let me know how y'all boys feeling, man. Q in the lot. Feel what I'm saying? Sitting pretty. Yo, let me know what color y'all mess with. Everybody likes, like, let me see, like pink and like purple. Everybody tells you purple is aggressive, but I don't know, man. I like white. White's luxury, sit nice. But actually, I'm gonna go with purple. Gives that little vibe tonight. But we're gonna get right into this. Feel what I'm saying? Let me feel me, go on my Ecutek. Y'all to see what's going on, man. Pops and bangs. Give y'all a little burbo action. Logo on the floor. Stop playing. But let's get right into it. Put this little drive height on. We're gonna go 2 tonight. I usually ride 3, but it's that type of night. But what I'm saying, turn this heat off. Sport. Stop playing. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna leave this lot. Safety first. I'm gonna leave this lot for y'all. We're gonna get right to it.
Mm-hmm.